What is going on, everybody? This is the Blue Brexit 2022 Entertainment Year. So, I don't know if I have keys on something, but something happened at night. I don't feel so good. I was sick. And I almost fell up. I don't really feel so good, guys. I still have some slightly headache, but guys, you won't believe it. One night, something crazy happened. We got spring, and now, believe it. It's gonna be freezing cold, but just look outside. Yeah, you might be wondering what the fuck is going on. I need to focus on it. Focus. There we go. At night, it was snowfall again at spring. Yeah. Snowstorm in spring again. This is the second time in a row. Holy shit. No, I don't feel so good. I don't know what else happening. Fuck. Oh yeah, and I watch no, I watch South Park right now. Oh, scheiße. This is a online. Is it? At least I got. However, I got my keys. Guy. Fuck!